Hello, Banana Slugs! In the next few minutes, you'll learn what to expect from UCSC Dining during the first part of 2021, new features and services available to you, and tips on how to save time and money dining with us. Due to COVID-19, just a small number of campus locations are open. Details about location, menus, and hours are posted on our website, dining.ucsc.edu. We've adjusted our operations to allow for physical distancing. Our staff continues to be proactive in maintaining the highest levels of sanitation. All meals from the dining hall must be ordered ahead for pickup using the Get app or website. If you're new to the Get app, we've got tutorial videos on first-time setup, how to add funds, and how to order a meal. These tutorials are on our website at dining.ucsc.edu/get, and the links are included right below this video. Since we're not offering seating right now, you will need to pick up your meal to go. Don't be late. After 10 minutes, your order will be discarded for food safety, and you'll need to place a new order. Face coverings are required for all employees and our guests. Keep at least 6 feet apart from other people and avoid gathering in groups. Use hand sanitizer stations when you arrive. These slug-strong habits help prevent the virus from spreading. Once you're done with your meal, dispose of your packaging and food waste properly. Slugs recycle right. Look at the waste sorting guidelines near the bins and learn how to compost and recycle correctly. Now for some helpful Get app tips. If you have a 5-day or 7-day meal plan, use Board 0 Meals as your payment method. The Get app displays 0 meals because these plans are unlimited. This can be confusing, but you can and should use Board Meals as your payment method if you have one of these plans. Students living in Residence Hall have a meal plan included with their housing contract, while other students have the option to purchase voluntary meal plans. This is done using the Get app or website. This option is also available to UCSC faculty and staff. If you have questions about the Get app that aren't answered on our website, email us get-admin-group@ucsc.edu. We're happy to help. New features and services plus tips to save time and money. Grubhub now accepts Flexi Dollars as payment method. This works in all Grubhub service areas. One Flexi Dollar is equivalent to $1 US. Flexis are also accepted at all campus dining locations, as well as the Bay Tree Bookstore, Student Health Center, and several off-campus businesses. Want to know how to get free Flexis? Check out our Flexi Dollar packages and our Slug Meal packages, which debuted fall of 2020 and include free Flexis. Learn all about these meal plans on our website. Here's another tip you should know. Pay with Flexi Dollars and you get 10% off. This works at the dining halls and at the market at University Center. The market is located upstairs above the college's 9 and 10 dining hall and offers a wide selection. And it's the only place on campus to get an espresso drink or a smoothie made to order. Save time by ordering ahead on the Get app. Thanks for watching. If you have questions that aren't answered on our website, reach out to us at dining@ucsc.edu.